We're about removing barriers to opportunity, period, right? And if you look at our criminal justice system, it creates some of the greatest barriers to opportunity that exist in our society today. And what you learn is if you're not locking up people for long periods of time who don't need to be locked up that long or don't need to even be in prison at all but can be diverted safely or trained while they're in prison so when they come out they're less troubled, more skilled, and more productive, then you realize you don't have to have people in prison that long at all and you can start closing prisons. And then you can fund things like educations and roads and mental health treatment, et cetera, et cetera. So we think the fiscal case is the moral case. And our interest in this was piqued really, a case we had in Corpus Christi, Texas many years ago. I won't go into the details. It was a gross miscarriage of justice, over-criminalization. There was doctored evidence in the grand jury. It wasn't by us, probably wasn't by the grand jurors, so I'm going to go with the prosecutors probably did that. But in any event, we resolved that case, and when we resolved it, Charles asked us, did the system work the way we thought it should work and could work and is supposed to work? And we said no, and he said, well, let's try to change this. Let's make this system what it should be. And so we started doing it about 12 years ago, and we're still working. We got a long way to go, but we've made a lot of progress.